Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside PhonePe, update the app and sign in so changes sync. Once you're in, navigate to Profile, then My Accounts, and open Bank Accounts. You do this because the UPi ID and linked mobile are controlled by your bank entry here. Now tap the specific bank account whose mobile you want detached. Make sure two-factor SMS verification is enabled on your device. Otherwise, the app cannot confirm ownership. From here, you'll either create a new VPA or request a mobile change. Continue to the next step. Now you choose. Create a custom VPA that does not include your phone number, because a VPA is what others use to pay you and can hide digits. Once created, set that VPA as your primary UPi ID inside PhonePe. If the bank insists the SIM-linked mobile is the anchor, select Change/Update Mobile and complete the bank's OTP and KYC steps. Often requires bank portal or branch confirmation. Once the new VPA is primary and verified, incoming requests use it instead of showing your phone. Finish by confirming the new VPA is active and then unlink the old VPA or request removal of the phone-linked record. You must wait until verification completes, otherwise payments may bounce. If PhonePe still displays your number, contact your bank's UPi support or visit a branch to update the mobile on record. Banks control the SMS anchor. One troubleshooting tip: if OTPs fail, toggle SIM on another device or ask the bank to resend OTP after 5 minutes. Then re-authenticate in PhonePe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.